dust cloud in the floodlight air, heartbeat louder than the drums out there. I touch the crest stitch over my heart. That's when the fear and the fire pull apart. Every mile I ran in the pouring rain, every late night field with a twisted ankle pain. All the nights I dreamed of the road, not the score. I was made for this, I was made for more. Under these floodlights, I'm not alone.